Dear students, let us discuss this question. In this question, we have to find the fraction of circle representing each of the information which is given in the pie chart. So let us see the first, it is entertainment. So can you tell me entertainment is representing 60%. So we need to represent it in fraction form. How do we do this? 60% means 60 divided by 100. So what is that? It is 6 upon 10. Simplify this further. So what do we get? 3 upon 5. Good. Okay, now tell me sports. Sports is representing 20%. So 20% meaning 20 upon 100. Simplify this. What do we get? We get 1 upon 5. Is it clear? Okay, let us move on to the next. It is given news. News is representing 10% of this pie chart. So 10% meaning 10 divided by 100, which gives us 1 upon 10. Now the last is information. So information is again giving 10%. So this is viewers watching different programs. So 10% is 10 divided by 100, which gives us 1 divided by 10. Okay, can you tell me what will be the sector angle for the entertainment? Sector angle for entertainment. What is the total central angle in a circle? It is 360 degree. So this central angle, sector angle for the entertainment is constituting 60% of 360 degrees. So that means 60 upon 100 into 360. So what is the answer? So the answer comes out to be, yes, simplify and tell me. Yes, give me the answer. The sector angle for entertainment. Similarly, you can find the sector angle for the other, components which are given in this. So this comes out here to be 216 degrees. Right? So you have seen that how we can read information and convert the given information into fractions and in terms of degrees for a circle graph.